blood clot's nasty, man.
Yeah, one of my best friends died from a blood clot.
Very common. And I mean, of course, I haven't researched a lot, but a lot of times people just don't know. You don't really know until you get them.
Yeah, he had a blood clot in his leg or something that traveled to his heart.
Yeah.
Done.
Any other drug, it wouldn't be a big deal if it was like 6 people. Just news.
Already a controversial drug, controversial thing.
Well, they know they're going to get a ton of fucking clicks because they get that news article out.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning.
Medication is going to get a spike.
Yeah, Tylenol. Aspirin's going up.
Morning, Thomas.
Not Tylenol, aspirin. Aspirin's a blood thinner. Tylenol isn't.
Yeah, that's why it changed.
Everyone's going to be a blood thinner. If they get a little paper cut, they're going to bleed out.
Everybody dies. Yay.
This is not a fun thing.
You died from COVID? No, I didn't die from COVID. I was taking a blood thinner and I got a paper cut. Because I thought I might get COVID.
Been on stream for like 2 minutes. You guys demonetizing me already.
What's that?
They hate the word COVID.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I've heard other YouTubers, they won't even say the name, but the thing.
Yeah, like the thing, they'll say like the pandemic, they'll say the virus, they'll like everything but that word.
So you can say the other.
I haven't personally been demonetized for it yet. I was more so just being funny. Let alone I probably wouldn't care, but I was just being funny. But there are other people that have said that it's happened. But good luck, everybody. I could sit here and keep talking through the bell and you wouldn't even notice.
Look at the market. Look at the market.
Look at it go.
Look at it go. Whee.
Well, now I wanted LGBN to push up, not down.
Yeah. A little bit anyway, right?
Oh, yeah, I didn't open IB. I knew I was missing something.
I told you to short it.
No. I wanted to push up over 10. LGBN, keep that one on watch. It hasn't died yet. She don't look like she's gonna get the push that I want. She might.
See if I can stay out of an accidental trade while this is loading. This is how it got me last time. I went to X out of the news thing that pops up with IB, this thing, and I somehow clicked the short button, and I mistakenly had checked how many shares it would be if I had, like when I double click and hit this button, I had already done that. And then I accidentally hit the short button on the way over to X that out. If you guys remember, that was like, and it was kind of similar to this move, but I got in like way down here where I would never get in. So it was very WTF, especially because my share size.
Up. Not in. 7.20s, please.
Watching Bingo, BNGO.
I just got some MFNC.
Woohoo, CLC to the ground, baby. Wow, 75 cents.
Tesla on a tear. Dang, this looks like a breakout on the daily.
TSLA looks like a breakout today. BTN started. Hangover is tight play.
Hey, I'm green.
Wow, it came down a lot, huh?
And now I'm red. Now I'm green. Red.
Okay, we don't need the play-by-play.
Alright, alright. Sound like you're in a trade.
Red.
Are you?
Yeah.
I screwed up MFNC.
NG started.
You didn't see this one.
Only a 50 cent spread in the morning.
Let's go to the volume. Volume has just been so bad lately.
Morning.
THTX earnings FYI.
Nicola. I am like freezing this morning for some reason.
Alright, I got a smaller baby one on the MFNC. I got a bad fill on that. What did it just say? H something? HTX, no.
Next line I have for Tesla is at 762.
No shorts.
That's far away.
HMRG. I don't want to short that. BCTX, no. MFNC. That one's the one that's kind of going sad. There it goes. You should have really been on it too. Didn't like it. LGBM. Didn't do what I wanted to do. And this MFNC's popping all around, man. I don't know, I'm glad I got out.
Gap on BTN.
MFNC just went crazy.
Yes, it did.
You have no shares there.
Now it's BTN's turn.
Order filled.
Have shorts on that.
Watching CENX. BTN.
Still on MFNC. I'm all out of it.
Yeah, I missed that one. I got it earlier, but screwed it up and then missed this one.
BTN down. It's over 4. No.
It's dropping.
I'm with this one, man. Not calling me. Maybe it goes up a lot. Just fucking nothing. Scared me a little bit with that pop, dude.
Yep.
When I saw the green, I just clicked it.
Order filled.
Take it there. I'm all out of BTN.
See if LGVN can get a swing up.
BTN
That'd
dollar
be
dollar.
cool.
Senex would have been good. There's no volume there, though.
Yes. It's got a little spiky spike. You still got shorts on that one? Yeah. That made a new
Sure, I would have took more of that one, but this market has just got me being iffy. Definitely gonna take it slow until things feel better. This index's going kind of crazy this morning.
Oh, MFNC all the way back down. You've got to be kidding me. Well, that sucks.
Do you have shares on that one?
You did the same thing I did.
I was in it at 2090. I got out at 2037. I just didn't expect that new high to just freaking fail. I guess I should.
It's gonna go all the way back to 13, bro.
Some sort of a buyout though, man. It's gonna be short. Oh, you don't have shorts, huh?
Nope. I actually pulled it up, and I wouldn't have been in that anyway. I would have been looking for the double top there around 22 to start it.
Glad I took what I took.
Oh, wow. That's a good cover there on BTN. Popped all the way back up.
Really? Double top on that one, huh? This LGVN's kind of holding on right here. A little more action than we've been getting.
Yeah, a little bit.
I gotta pee real fast, guys. You know how I go.
Yellow.
What are we watching?
RRD up.
I'm watching MFNC. Well, maybe not MFNC.
You're in? FNC?
Yeah. Yeah, off the bottom. I'm out of it. I don't trust it.
J&J took a nice little hit with that news this morning. I had a little bit of a sore throat this morning, so you guys probably hear me sucking on the cough drops. I feel fine otherwise. It's just hard to swallow. My mom was saying this eye looks a little puffy as well. I was wondering if it's having some kind of reaction to something. I don't know. I can't wait to be in the new place. I don't need to use the green screen. It'd be nice.
NG $$ on way. BTN $$.
Fungus.
NG $$.
Yeah, this one would have been a decent one, but the volume was really bad. I didn't want nothing to do with it. Could have got back into BTN, but I'm actually pretty happy with that.
FMC.
Yeah.
ELC to the ground.
Down. Striking. BDMS. Enough birds.
VT up.
GRO. Little push.
Watch the shares available on VTVT.
Are you watching Snoop Jag?
FNC, and then seeing if there's anything else. Everything else I don't really like. I don't really like that right now either. Considering
Like
I just
that
got
too.
out of it and broke even. Because I just didn't trust the way it was chopping up and down. Then of course it went up.
3.20 there would be grand.
LGVN. Let's say I have the right idea on that one, but just didn't give me that 10 pop.
Veru plus 10.80.
And there goes MFNC.
Carrot will be interested.
What did J&J say?
I don't know, something about something. And they're talking about them halting the drug because out of an extreme sense of caution. We don't want to kill people. We swear.
Or do they?
If promise you, we don't want you dead. Okay, a little.
Of course, Moderna has to tweet out, "No risk of similar blood clots with Moderna."
We're better than J&J. Don't want to die? Get Moderna.
Think they can get any living testimonials about that?
I didn't get him, but I can give one for Pfizer. I'm alive.
Today.
I die tomorrow. I die tomorrow. So will my whole family. So oh well.
If Devin doesn't log in tomorrow, we know what happened. Arthur killed them all.
Good lord, there's really not much moving.
FNC ran again.
Nothing to all the way back up. What the hell's up with this? I don't know what it's gonna do. I can't trade this.
Gonna halt.
How do you trade that?
I don't know, but I'll show you my second trade. I messed up 2 trades on this thing.
Crash through 26. Let's go.
I'm guessing you're looking at CELC.
Come on. Literally 300 shares there. Let's go, boys.
Anything else moving, Timothy?
I was watching Veru and VTVT, but neither of them did what I wanted. I was hoping Veru went to 11, and I was hoping VTVT would try to double top to the pre-market highs.
MFNC halt.
Go. Oh, there's a lot of 26. That's ugly.
MFNC halted.
Carrot NTB there.
Gold is making a move today.
Is it?
Yeah.
With the SPY at all-time highs? The heck? It's weird.
Is this SPY at all-time highs?
It's, I mean, yeah, it's hovering right there.
Gap it down, really.
I gained all that back before open.
Get it until no.
What's up, Christian? Good morning. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm just trying to wait for my spots. That's all we can do in this market right now.
I'd be goofy. Spy's gonna do what Spy's gonna do.
MFNC. Right click. Mute.
Well, BTN obviously is not gonna give me the pops that I wanted it to.
Because you shorted it out of the gate.
I'm gonna get rid of that one. I'm gonna put Muds up. Volume of 2 million. Shabby.
AFMD up.
More extended. Muds.
Yeah,
BTN back to the highs again.
Just don't really like where it is. I wish it was a little more extended.
Yeah, it's kind of in that in-between spot.
Yeah, where it could just go sideways, it could try to go up, it could try to go back to the VWAP. I just don't know what's going to do. I don't know about this MFNC either. I think it's freaking crazy.
Did you look at my charts? It's so sad. I could have made a ton of money if I didn't misread it twice. Badly.
Yeah, the hell.
Very badly.
It's a hard one though. I mean, dude, how you gonna read that? You know?
I mean, but
Hi, did you think you were just gonna die?
BTN adding back.
Just wish I would have held for 20. But that makes sense. 30 cents. 1 cent.
in the long one, I got out.
I would have never taken that.
That was just bad. I was in it in, 1925
Oh, really?
for the long.
Yeah. Did you think it was gonna just freaking do that?
No, but I thought it would go up to like 20, 40.
Yeah. Retest that previous resistance there.
Yeah, but then it was chopping and going up and down. I'm like, you know what? I don't want to risk a big drop. And so I got out and it said, hey, guess what?
I left like $1 on the table there too, and I'm like, whatever. This crazy market, man. Be happy with what you get.
It should be opening any second.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, so it goes.
I know.
Which stock is that?
MFNC.
It opened where it closed
Yeah.
or halted.
That's a hard one to freaking call right now, man.
Yeah.
Big ups and big downs. Might go all the way back to my new
at some point.
Huh?
It's gonna end up by 23 at some point. That's based on the deal.
You would think. Not trading like a normal buyout, I'll tell you that much.
No. It's not that it's not a cash buyout. It's based on the other company's stock.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't seem like those shareholders are very happy about it.
VTVT and TV.
I just don't know what to do with that thing, so I'm not going to look at it.
Really? It's so late on this news. I don't know what that thing's gonna do, man.
Therapeutics getting up we'll pop here on continued heavy volume, $3.13.
Yeah, we're just now running out of shares on VTVT.
Do what?
Yeah.
The Ledge is gonna do either. It had this weird spike up here a month ago, back in this area. Hard one to call too. Are you in VTVT?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
NTP.
NG taking all. Bigger code than I thought.
Why am I showing? Oh, never changed my filter. I missed anything I say.
We never do.
Good.
HLIT, deal reporter says Harmonic said to be setting up for sale. That's HLIT, Hotel Lima India Tango. Getting a pop here on that.
Good.
HLIT.
BTN dropped.
something.
Yeah.
What did they keep saying? HI what?
I think it's
HLIT.
HLIT.
HLIT, yeah. Did you get that one, Thomas?
I was in it before they said it.
Oh, okay.
Which one?
HLIT.
Definitely missed that one. Good job, Thomas.
I was in it at 8:40 when it opened on that 2-minute candle.
Just chop it.
I didn't even see that one. It didn't alert though. Let's see.
HLIT $.
Yeah, it just popped on the banner and didn't alert.
Yeah.
It got to like 17 minutes.
BTN $. On the ad back. Hoo-hoo. At David. BTVTNTV.
No shorts on the VTVT.
Nothing on Veru.
I don't think anybody knows what to do with some FNC, man. It's going up and down for now. I'll leave that. Make $1 million on PLC yet? Dude.
DHR.
He's gone.
I don't know what his average was.
Yeah, I don't know.
6 something.
Issued U.S. patent, RIP, one inhibitor and compounds and methods for making and using the same that Romeo
Carrot Big Go. Avoiding myself.
RAGL. Company had news earlier regarding their treatment meeting primary endpoint in hospitalized patients with COVID-19 that Romeo
GOVX90K to borrow FYI.
Anything on Watch DT?
No. I'm just watching, see what y'all doing.
JVM just gave up. Out of here.
ADHR, Alpha Echo Hotel Romeo, awarded U.S. patent, electronic tester with power saving state, that's Alpha Echo Hotel Romeo, ADHR.
ADHR? No.
ADHR, isn't it? No.
No, it's ADHR. Alpha Echo Harry Romeo.
Yeah, like that.
Nothing looks like that. FNC. That one's a hard one to read.
Which one?
FNC.
Yeah, I don't know what that thing's doing. It's probably gonna go all the way back up. But
Yeah. MD.
There goes VTVT making the move we wanted. But we are officially out of shares.
VTVT not bad if Boros.
VTVT, we run out of shares and then it finally makes the move we were looking for.
Don't have shares.
Yep.
Now they can't short it. That's such a coincidence.
Boop on a booping stick. We went from being okay to being blah real fast.
FDA approval on VTVT. Designation, it could run.
I don't really see anything else moving.
It's VTVT.
That's a little bit. Rain kind of sucks.
Over 50% rotated too, for what it's worth.
I know Steve's definitely green now is in 2580s.
On silk.
Yeah.
That's what I want to look at. I'm fucking coffee.
Went long at 3.04 and stopped out at 3.01. That's mine. Had it pegged to go to 3.37. FD up.
Oh, this whole mud is weird. I have two different charts.
What is it, MUDX?
MEDS, yeah. My TOS shows it hasn't been open that long, just since beginning of this year. But on CMEG I have more history.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, maybe I'm looking at the wrong chart. No, I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. This spike that happened here isn't even on my TOS. Weird. You see that spike, right?
Thank you
Yeah.
BTN.
Spike
Moving stop
on
to B/E
spike.
and let's see how low she can go.
Couple, a month ago, 2 months ago.
Yeah, to like 14.
BTN
right?
finally LOL.
I don't have that on my TOS chart. It's weird, huh?
Yeah.
KALA, Kilo Alpha Lima Alpha, Tara Pharmaceuticals, awarded U.S. patent strengthening form therapeutic compounds and uses thereof. That's KALA, Kilo Alpha Lima.
BTN $.
Like over here, 1387. We're talking about KALA. No. day. And I don't know what to look at. Again, short-lived excitement. Oh, LGBN, man. We should have shorted that one out of the bell.
It's still going down.
Yeah, you know, high of 934, low of 737.
HLITV/E stop on leftovers.
Push.
BTVC Therapeutics, $3.49, down a high of 33%. Victor Tango, Victor Tango.
You're right back, guys.
Some argument we could have got in for the fake break, but I would have wanted it through 4. It was definitely a fake break, though. It was really slow at that point as well. Yeah, plus we had the double top there at 415. Keep in mind, too, I guess that's all we've heard so far. There could obviously be more. There could also be people that have had blood clots that they just didn't associate the two.
Talking about?
Just Charlie brought up the J&J thing again. We were just saying that there could be other cases, we just don't know about them, and that there could be others as well that had blood clots and they just never put 2 and 2 together, that it could be the vaccine.
What kind of drug did it make? It's for what? What?
You know, the one that's been going around that, you know, closed down the country, that one.
What's it called? I just can't remember the name of it.
It's some kind of virus. I can't remember the name of the.
Some sort of a virus.
It's got numbers in it too.
Yeah, like, I don't know, maybe 12 or something?
No, I think it was 19. I definitely think it was 19.
Might have the number 19 in it.
Yeah, it definitely has a number 19 in it. I just don't remember like the first part of it. It was like 5 letters, started with a C, ended with a D. I can't remember the middle 3 though.
Might have like an Avi in it or something.
VIP's
in
up.
the middle of it, like an Avi.
Yeah, I think it could be right.
E-Avi-V.
I just for some reason though it's just not in my like repertoire of the English language to say it. I can't. Yeah, just like you put those words together and it just doesn't make sense. I can't actually speak it out loud. Vips.
Carrot big company.
Vips. Yeah, that's like way off the bottom.
Yeah.
Like at B1. Also shit daily.
That's a little tough.
Yeah, I would need a lot more out of Vips.
Yeah.
Ban him.
Here we go.
VIPs started.
Dang, I missed Vips there. I thought it was gonna push through 50 right there real quick. It didn't.
Order cancelled.
That's a pretty big drop though already. That's what I would have been looking for. It was 28.
68, 70,
What's your average?
21.
Yeah, I tried to get in at 42, but I missed it.
Missed. Blah.
That was a good little pump. I thought it was going to poke through 50 real quick and I was going to jump in there, but it just got rejected real quick there. It didn't even really give us a jiggle. It just got shoved down. Should have just chased it maybe. That was a pretty good move. Bigger company though. I didn't necessarily like it.
Looking to freaking hold things today, man.
It's frustrating. That would have been a decent one. That was kind of just a miss.
VIPs dollar, comma, dollar, comma, dollar, comma, dollar.
Oh, look at MFNC.
I think you meant VIPs dollar, 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 dollar.
I don't trust it to do anything.
Webs is pushing up higher.
Carrot.
Mayor de Blasio, New York City Mayor de Blasio now. I think he's
Yeah.
J&J vaccine.
That's how quick the couple opportunities that you might get are happening. Didn't get any kind of a jiggle there. It just went, nope. It got shoved right back down. Went from 49 all the way back down under 30, like instantly. Would have had to chase it down a little bit, which obviously in hindsight would have been fine.
Well, that wasn't as rewarding as I was hoping.
What, Vips?
You made like 25 bucks on it. Board.
You know Devin's bored when he's trading front side of huge companies off the bottom.
Yes.
I just didn't see it getting above that yesterday's close or open. The day before
Yeah.
close.
That's what I was looking at. I thought it was going to poke through 28.50 there, but it just rejected instantly. Didn't really give me a jiggle or anything.
Clicked it.
You clicked on the rejection. And you got filled at 21?
I think it was 25 or something.
Yeah. That's why it rejected so fast. I actually put an order out in case it wanted to jump back up. I put it at 42 and it never even tried.
Yeah, 28, 21.
Yeah, that's why if I would have chased it, that's what I saw was 21. And I was like, dude. Well, I went from wanting it over 50 and I would have been chasing it, hitting it at 21. I was like, I'll just pass.
I figured if it jumps back over 50, I could throw on another 100 shares, but couldn't do that, so.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping it did. That's why I put my order back out there up at the highs. I was like, well, if it wants to pop right back up, because sometimes you see the jiggle is actually like 20, 30 cents instead of just, 5, 10 cents. That's kind of what I was hoping for.
Even this thing, nothing's really giving us a big push,
Nope.
I just don't see that.
Well, that was actually grindy until that candle.
For that push, yeah. Yeah.
Lyle YOLO long.
I can't do it, but in my head I'm making cricket sounds.
DHR Tish.
As long as you're making it somewhere.
Make them in my head, guys. Make it. I heard. It said, Jack, don't.
I heart radio.
Jack. There it is. See, there it is.
That was pretty good, Devin. That was good.
Yeah, it came right out of my head.
BTN lock and trail.
Fire eye. That sucks.
Which from now, who's that guy to make cricket noises? I'm gonna be known for.
Who was that just talked?
Was DT.
The cricket guy?
What you gotta do is get somebody to try it, and then you gotta make them laugh really good to spit all over themselves.
I'm getting better at it.
So you're good.
I am. I am. My wife enjoys that part of me.
When you twist your tongue.
My tongue muscles are strong.
They have a force.
The force is within. It's a force that I had not known was there. You definitely threw yourself out.
Okay, good. I was talking to someone, and I didn't know if you guys could hear me, so I'm glad that I got kicked out by myself.
Oh yeah? Well, now we want to know what the conversation was about.
She was telling me about how she bought a house with an elevator for when she's pregnant and has a C-section.
What?
Yeah, they bought a house up the block. It has an elevator in it. That way, when she's pregnant and needs a C-section, she'll be able to bring the baby up and down the steps.
Not bad. That sounds like rich people problems.
Okay.
Well, I'm getting a C-section, so we need an elevator. So we just bought a house.
Why don't they just get one of those things that you attach to the steps with like the chair that rides up and down the side of the steps?
Because that's not classy, dude. They need an elevator.
My friend's house
There's
has
an elevator in the house. Why would they have a chairlift?
I'm just saying they didn't have to buy a new house is what I was saying.
No, the house happened to have an elevator. I'm not sure if that was a selling point or not. But I don't really care about her elevator. I got it at half its my CLC at 2525.
Nice.
Boom. You're at like 28 something, right?
GME avoid for me.
2690.
26.90?
Yeah.
$1.40? Hell yeah.
I have an order in because I was had to go on the phone.
Daily says RH breakout.
Let's see when it fills. If it
LOL.
fills.
SWL? Nope. Don't look at that.
Oh, snap. GME trying to bounce. They're trying to make it a high or low.
Oh, boy.
IHRT? What is it? Why not? Why not look at this? What's going on with this?
I didn't say don't look at IHRT. I said don't look at GDSWL.
This IHRT has potential.
It's about 19 minutes.
IHRT up.
Oh, you know me so well.
U.S. Health official says leading hypothesis is the
Look at VTVT.
in very rare cases is causing an immune response that leads to
It's kind of beautiful.
VTVT could have been a good long for you, Devin.
No. Making moves?
Bigger company for what it's worth.
never breaks that 350.
I haven't been feeling the longs too much.
64 M float.
If I see this thing trend for half the day, I'll think about it. I don't really believe in the
Not
trends
sure.
right now.
3B market cap.
I don't believe in the trend plays anymore.
Okay. BTU kinda stalking kid.
again when I believe it. Not today. INO's kind of trying to push today.
WIMI stalking it.
I have it up because there's not a lot that's interesting, but
YMFNC just took a run again.
I don't know what that's doing, bro.
I just saw it pop up on one of my streams.
Got a memory from 3 years ago.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys see it.
It's doing, so I'm
Oops.
try to trade that.
Oh crap.
I told you my goal
Okay.
now is just to find
I done screwed it up.
perfect trades, and that's it.
There it is.
Oof, that was fun. Overnight hold, you went.
It's my baby boy. Yeah, it was actually a video of him kind of kicking around.
Lowest fill was 25.11.
Love seeing these.
All out.
I just accidentally red clicked. Luckily, I was not on any buy or sell orders.
That would have been a bad thing.
It was one of those where I'm like, oh crap, where's my mouse?
Oh, da 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 da.
HLIT all out.
What's I hurt doing?
What?
I hurt still pushing.
Is it? Yep, it is.
Another line up at 1932. It's kind of a couple key areas on this chart.
Norwegian Institute of Public Health said we did not use Janssen and AstraZeneca vaccines. The way vaccine rollout will be delayed by. This is correction. Norwegian Institute of Public Health said if we did not use Janssen and AstraZeneca vaccines, the way vaccine rollout will be delayed by 8 to 12 weeks. That's J&J, BTN.
I was hoping for a pop there. Tesla moving again. I told you this one looked like a breakout. Watching it, I was looking for the pop through 19. So slow. Everything's so slow.
You're still in this market.
BTN all out with the 11-cent trail LOL.
AHCL, Dow Healthcare is off the low down 3166, down about 14.5%. Alpha Hotel Charlie Oscar company announcing earlier
Maze 2,
this morning
out all BTN.
that regarding their co-CEO Luke McGee, that authorities in Denmark charged McGee with alleged tax fraud arising from certain past private activity. Shares falling on that, down now about 14%. That's Charlie Oscar.
Something will happen eventually, man. That'll shake this market up a little bit.
Avenue. Oops, wrong window.
What a boring day, but this is trading in this market. BTU, go to 4. Bit fast, please. Guess we will watch Tesla because it's the only thing moving. Oh. Some movement out of IHRT here. Dun, 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 dun. See if it wants to give us a push. Give us a little bit more of a push. Be happy with a starter up here. Looking for that pullback to 19. This is a slower one. One more little push.
Why?
Did you get an iHeart, Tim?
Not yet. I have an order out though. I couldn't help but to put it at 1927 because my birthday is 9/27. Good logic, right?
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. I mean, that's definitely where they're gonna base the trade off of.
I mean, when you go to the casino and play roulette, right? You play your numbers based off birthdays and stuff. So, why not play the stock market that way? Looks like it's going to bounce off my first line, though. My second line was up there at 1932. That was a decent little pop, but it wasn't really an extension, so I wasn't willing. I wasn't willing to start it down there and then have it run to like 1950 or something. I should have just went long Tesla when I said that was a breakout today. It's only up like 23 points since I said it.
Order cancelled.
You look at the daily, I mean, it just says breakout, and my next line isn't until 762. It's got all that room looking left. I feel like that was such an obvious long, but I'm just, in this market, man, I just don't even want to touch anything. It's just stupid.
A lot of scary stuff out there.
Well, yeah, there's like fake outs galore everywhere.
Study, phase 1/2 study in adult healthy subjects that have previously received vaccinated with FDA-authorized vaccine against COVID-19. Trial designed to assess the safety, efficacy, reactogenicity reactogenicity and immunogenicity of HAD5 as fusion and EPSD formulated for subcutaneous, sublingual, and oral administration. The study date start of April 2021 at India Bravo Romeo X-ray.
I was talking about the stupid IBRX. It's not really doing anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn a new zip code again. Fun times. Come on, BTU. Right to 4. Let's go.
That thing actually hits it?
Investigating issues.
I mean, it hasn't had a red candle on the 2-minute in like 20 minutes,
Just needs some speed now.
but it's just grinding at this point.
I'll pick again. You watching, Jag?
Nothing specifically, just keep typing in stuff that kind of pops up and don't like any of it.
Yes. Slow. Huh. Momentum definitely fell out of this market pretty hard.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So I was looking at moving companies, and this one says the name, and then it says moving is known for the following things. So this is what they're known for. And the first thing says locally owned and operated a business. They put the letter A in there. Oh, okay. Well, I can.
VIP's station.
Like
Still
the
with
first
Pat.
thing you read, and it's like, come on. I mean, they're not lying, but at the same time, that is not how you say it.
Their job is to pick up furniture. What do you want from them?
They pick it up and put it down.
I pick things up and I put them down. Yeah, I want the college hunks.
And then he would be crying about the price that the college graduate students
College
would charge.
graduates ain't gonna do it for cheap. I'll pick up your furniture on $10,000.
I pick things up.
What the shit does a college degree got to do with moving furniture? Why are you charging me so much?
I can't believe that some of these places try to charge you as much as they do. It's like, do people actually pay that crap?
Price is what you pay, not what you get.
True that. Can you guys just fly here and help me out? I'll supply the beer.
I got a truck.
Yeah, Steve could just drive down. I'm busy that weekend, but I haven't told you what weekend it is yet.
Road trip.
What show is that from? Because I remember that, or it might be a movie. He's like, "Well, what weekend is it?" And he tells him, he's like, "Yeah, I'm busy that weekend."
I'm washing my hair that day.
Yeah. All that grease you put in there.
Oh yeah.
Greasy Jerseyans.
We take it right off the pizza slice and rub it right into the hair.
Oh, that would be a good YouTube video. Just people from New Jersey making fun of themselves. Just putting pizza slice grease inside their hair. That would be so funny. It would have to be well produced, obviously.
Yeah.
But I could see that being pretty funny.
So watchable.
Ooh, one of your favorite tickers, Devin. No, ship. What? You told me the shipping companies were your favorite.
Yeah, and a shipping company that's under $1. Oh, so
I know, that's your wheelhouse.
Or Barney in business, they would have a $26 return Bitcoin instead of $1. No reason to overthink this trade. Bitcoin much safer than Riot, RIOT. That's a tweet now from Citron Research.
Citron wasn't going to do that anymore. Liars.
Yo, they still gotta make money.
Remember they weren't going to do short calls anymore? They just masked Riot.
Riot don't seem to care. Ooh, look at Tesla trying to make a red candle. Oh, they didn't. They actually made 2 of them. Yeah, I'm definitely cutting off at 11 today. I'm not going to even stick around for the extra hour.
Today?
Yeah. Was CELC the one that went crazy at like 1 o'clock yesterday? Let me see. Oh, wait, that one actually went in the morning. What was it?
CLDR.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
I saw Brian had traded that on the FP account, and I couldn't remember what the ticker was. I was about to go look, but I mean, like literally, you're sitting around all day, like waiting for that, the one move, and it's just not. And those are not my plays. The volume out of nowhere on news, like, and they don't always just go straight up and straight back down either. So, and that was. Yeah, that was a dream for someone like Brian.
Some of us gotta work for a living. Not all of us have a sugar mama at home.
True that. I wanna get to the point though, like where, like,
Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, if I can get to the point where it's Tuesdays and Thursdays, it'd be perfect.
No problem. You're welcome. Have a great day.
We want to be better than every other trader that we know.
No, it's not even that. I want to get to the point like where I'm making enough on a daily basis from the market to where I don't have to sit around all day, kind of thing. Like if you can size up to the point where even if you only get a couple trades, like you're still going to be fine, kind of thing.
Are we still streaming?
Yes.
Okay, I'll ask you after.
11 o'clock. I'm going to cut it because I'm going to probably get off as well. But I'll wait for you, obviously.
Oh, yeah, it's a very important question.
I figured.
You have house stuff today?
That was yesterday.
Did you look at your back system?
Yeah, I did. It's pretty awesome. It's the one where you lift the flaps and it has like the vacuum you plug in, but it's not a constant suckage. You actually have to hook the hose in there, and there's 2 little metal pieces that when they both make contact at the same time, that's what turns it on.
Yeah, the old school ones, like my aunt had one when I was a very little kid. And it used to, when you would open it, when it would turn on.
Right. Well, this one has one kind of like that. It's on the floor in the kitchen. Remember, I don't know if you remembered me saying that one picture where it looked like that could have been it. Well, that is one of those where you like open the vent and it's constantly on.
Okay. So the vent that was underneath the cabinet to the right of the sink.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. You just push it's like a lever basically. You just push it in and then it turns it on. And like if you sweep and just sweep it in there and you're all done. That's the one we'll probably use the most.
HLIT up again. watching for speed to enter.
And then yeah, it actually goes out to the garage is where it runs to, and then it just has it's like the Dyson ones where you just kind of click the button and it pops out, and then you just empty it.
Yeah, it's like a big shop vac.
Yeah, dude, it's like a full size vacuum, but it's just for the debris, I guess is what you'd call it, trash. Just I don't know. Tesla is just not stopping.
I didn't have one long term, but it seems like it's just like a vacuum. I mean, the sweeper ones are nice. I've never seen that, but you got to go get the vacuum cleaner and plug it in and use it. This you got to go get the car and plug it in. So it's almost kind of the same.
To me, like, it's nice, I guess, because you don't have to, like, if you have a bigger house, you don't have to constantly like empty it, kind of thing. Like that really, to me, that's the only advantage, because you still have to go essentially from outlet to outlet and plug the thing in. So it's not any different than a regular vacuum in my eyes.
Yeah, to me they're kind of cool, but they're expensive. So
yeah, I would never pay for it. That's for sure. Yeah, I would never pay extra for it, I should say.
It's a nice house, though, man.
Yeah, we're excited.
In-law quarters.
The what?
The in-law quarters. That seemed that worked out really good.
Yeah, it did. Yeah. The inspection, they were actually saying that the egress window in the room down there is not big enough, because he was saying, like, by code, it's supposed to be big enough so if, like, say a fireman had to come and try to get down in there, like, they have to get through that window with full equipment. And I was like looking at it and I was like, yeah, that's not happening. So I was like, Mom, sleep with the door open and good luck. But yeah, the inspection actually went really well, to answer Thomas's question. There was just some minor things, like
If the house is on fire, you're probably gonna die in here.
that's basically what he said.
It's like a nice house. Is it a new house or just been redone?
5 years old.
That's good though, because at least the house is settled.
Yeah, and she actually worked for the builder, so, she was probably over there, like, making sure they did everything right. And she had, like, every freaking add-on that you can think of. But yet she paid less than some of the people that had, like, no add-ons. I'm actually really surprised we got the house for the price that we did.
Like you kind of fell into that whole deal.
Yeah, we really did. And I really think that because her sister and brother-in-law actually live right across the way, like they're the ones in the house that's like straight across from us. So I think when we came and looked at the house, because we had our kids with us as well, I really think that they like were like, oh my God, these are, because we're basically like a spitting image of their family kind of thing. So I think like she was just imagining like how perfect it would be for us specifically kind of thing. And like how, like, I don't know, like those kind of things, like if I was selling my house, it's like I'd want to sell it to someone that I think is going to take care of it, even if I'm not going to own it anymore kind of thing. A little piece of humanity, I guess, is what I'm trying to get at here. If that still exists. I also think she knew that she wanted to like the people there because she was talking about how she's still going to be visiting her sister all the time. So I guess she would want people that she's going to see in her house to actually be people she likes.
Yeah.
And she was the realtor too, so I'm sure that kind of helped as well, because she knew that she didn't have to pay like the extra 2.5% or some shit. Like that just goes right into her pocket. So I'm sure that kind of played into her bottom line price as well.
Did your wife just like not let you talk, so they liked you guys?
You know, you were getting on me about saying dickish things, and here you are. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. That's I want you to say those things. I was just caught off guard because I was like, wait, Devin was trying to be all serious about not saying those things, and he just said it.
Yeah, I said I would review all day long, just not about money.
Yeah, money we don't think twice about, but your personal well-being, yeah, fuck you.
Who you are as a person, I will say you're an awful human being all day every day.
Because it's true. Nah, I like to play the part of a dick, but I'm a sweetheart underneath. You all know that.
YNDX, what happened there?
Way underneath.
Yeah, you get that one? Oh, Jag is not here.
I'm back.
Yikes.
Guy's drinking.
Looks like your trade, bro.
What does?
YNDX anyone? LOL.
I missed it, but
I would say yes, but in this market, I say no.
you would not have taken that.
No.
He jumps in, it just goes right to $2. It actually, if you look at the daily and the 60-minute, I think bounced like in the exact right spot. And this isn't the first time it's done this.
Yeah.
On this much volume, yes, but unless that wick is not real on the 60-minute, I don't know.
The wick is real.
The wick is real, man.
The one on April 5th?
Oh, I didn't know what that. I don't know. But the one today was.
Well, obviously, it's at the bottom now. It's right at where April 5th bounced, if that is real. That's why I didn't know if it was real. Oh, this is brutal.
Differentiated cell populations and methods of use thereof that Romeo Golf Sandy ORTS.
Man, we need this market to come back, huh?
Yeah. Started out okay. Then it went back to what it's been.
A little better.
Market is perfect.
Is it?
We're holding
Oh,
for
yeah.
days. Yes.
Is that what it is?
Perfect. Things move in a nice fluid motion. There's volume. There's price action.
Has been spoiled for last year.
Oh, God.
I don't know, I miss it. Thought I would just keep on being spoiled by this market.
I'm glad I didn't get into YNDX. It's still dropping.
You got it on the dip, you would have already been out
That's true.
on the initial dip. I mean, dude, that thing dipped to 60, 61 and popped to $62.
That's true.
You would have been out somewhere in there. That's some real negative news. And I don't know, but
YOLO, entire account, YNDX, let's go.
do this.
Gets down to 59, I'm in.
You know what? Let me try GME instead.
Stick with the safer trade.
Yeah, for sure.
DLC still dropping.
What's Gray doing? Nothing. Nothing anybody wants to look at.
I guess you guys aren't having issues with your orders today. Did they ever like put out any kind of like statement or something?
They got an email. message, but I didn't get it.
We so sorry.
We so sorry.
There's the bounce.
Yep.
DHR we.
Should have been in.
DHR with the descending triangle. Oh wow, yeah, look at that thing.
Oh lord.
One pricey stock.
What is Arthur doing now?
The mad dog.
Playing with his ball.
VIP's taking all, just going sideways.
Lucky puppy.
Jay.
When you switch in charts, do you ever get it to where you see another chart? It's not the chart that you left, but not the chart that you are going to. It's another chart.
I don't get that. I think you do.
I get it, or maybe it's because I want to see a pair move so bad that in between the flash, I see the big green candle. Like, ooh, I want that ticker. What is that? And I can never get it.
It's not there.
What was that description again?
So like sometimes when I switch in between two tickers, the chart clears and loads another chart, but it's not the chart that I'm going to because it's totally different. It's not a pair of moves.
Lyle YOLO long fail. Good thing it's a YOLO.
Excuse me.
So when's close date?
We're aiming for the 13th. Could be the morning of the 14th.
Oh, of May. I was like,
Yeah, May. Yeah. Oh shit, I'm late.
So everything went okay with the thing yesterday?
Yeah, the inspector was at the end. He was kind of going through some of the stuff, and he was like, with these new houses, I really got to like try to nitpick some because there's really not much to find.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah,
They
that's good to
always
know.
freaking nit.
Oh, I mean, it's their job.
It's
You want 'em
but
to
it's
be-
CYA.
Yeah, as the buyer, you want them to nitpick.
One nitpick. You just got to find a good one that actually knows that.
They all CYA. It's always CYA.
I'll bite. No idea what CY is. Cover your ass. Okay, yeah. I thought of it right at the last second.
I've been on both sides of home inspections. Plus, they went and took a freaking 12-hour course. Ooh, I'm a home inspector now. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. He actually, the way he was talking about everything, like he actually seemed pretty knowledgeable. Like you said, you got to find one that actually knows what they're talking about. Like he was finding, like nitpicking some crap. I would have been like, okay.
Oh, lordy.
it's like that code issue for the egress for downstairs window. All right, so either one or two things happen. Either the code has changed since they built the house, so it was within code from the day that they built it, or they would have never passed the final inspection. So it wouldn't have went through anyway.
Yeah. No, they it definitely is code. It's just it's a little high. So like someone like my mother, she's not going to be able to climb out of that. So it's that was the issue there. Like I don't even know if I'd be able to lift myself to get up out of there.
That's when
Basically.
you stand on a little ladder.
Yeah.
If you got a flame on your ass, guess what? You're getting through that fucking window, Jack.
Maybe me. Not everyone's getting through that window.
Bet you I could.
You'd probably have a better chance, like, running through the flames to get out the regular door. It would hurt a lot more, but you might live.
Rock and roll.
Yep. Well, that's what I was going to say. Plus, at that point, you would hope that you could just cover your mouth and crawl out. Like, that would probably be your best bet. Because the floor theoretically shouldn't be on fire at that point. Like, if the smoke alarms are going off and stuff like that, like the floor of downstairs probably is not engulfed.
Yes.
Your issue is going to be the heat.
Yeah, the heat and the smoke. Yeah.
Once the wall partially catches on fire, you're unbelievable how hot that room is.
Yeah, a lot of people like in the movies and stuff, they never get that across, like that aspect of it. Like when they're crawling through rooms and there's fire just chilling above them on the ceiling. It's like your back would be boiling.
Spiking. Somebody wants to play $100 stock.
What is it?
HAS.
Hasbro. Is that who this is?
Yeah. Dude was going on with Hasbro.
Freaking Tesla, man. That thing's just going to make me gag.
As Big Co, just in case you did not know.
$700 Optimus Prime toy can finally transform all on its own. I don't know why that's an important thing, but
What's the fun in that?
Did you jump all over Hasbro?
I did.
Yo, you've been hased, bro. What did he just call me?
That was terrible.
You're terrible.
Horrible.
There was a football player that said that at some point, and they made fun of him for so long. I think it was Marshawn Lynch, maybe.
O'Neal or something.
I don't know. That's terrible. Come on, ref. That call was terrible. Like Turrible. Terrible. Ding, 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 ding. You win the spelling bee.
As Nibble.
Yeah, you don't sound so excited.
It's got a little bit of a spread.
Backlog rose to 4,054 in March, 4,041. Orders in February says expect to see contractual changes as settlement discussions conclude and as more regulators approve. 737 MAX took service. Law says delivered 737s in March. Here are the Boeing BAs. Now, popping here, 252, 30. That's Bravo Alpha Boeing.
Anything
Has
worthwhile, Jack?
Nope.
Thanks PGS.
I see nothing.
Nothing. I see nothing. God, I used to love that show.
ADYS, key sites, power device testing, solutions selected by semi-power to accelerate development of next generation semiconductors, ADYS.
Oh, at least I got something into that.
Yeah, I got one trade. Holy crap, it's already after 11. Jeez. All
You
right.
have to run away now.
Yep, essentially.
Hit
All
me
right,
up
guys,
on
I'm going to
Discord
cut
for my
this off.
PayPal.
Sorry, it's just crap day, and I'm going to go do other stuff because this is boring. I'll be here tomorrow morning, and hopefully this whole throat thing goes away. It's already feeling better, so hopefully it continues to get better. So I will see you tomorrow. Peace!